Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and updating iPadOS so Stage Manager behaves predictably. Next, attach an external display if you want extra screen real estate or plan your internal layout. Open Control Center, long press the multitasking tile, and toggle Stage Manager on. This instantly switches your workspace. Once done, arrange a primary app window and drag another app from the dock to create a separate window. This gives you an active workspace for multitasking and window grouping right away. Now you refine how apps sit together. Drag an app from the dock or app library to make a floating window, then snap it beside another to form a group. Resize by dragging corners to prioritize one app and use split view inside a group for a two-app focus. You can add a third app to create a three-up layout if needed. Make sure to use the shelf to tuck away minimized apps. This keeps groups tidy and speeds switching between workflows. Finish by tailoring the workspace. Move windows between screens, resize for readability, and keep recurring app groups for repeat tasks. Use keyboard shortcuts and gestures to jump between groups quickly, and when you're done, merge or close groups to declutter. If something goes wrong, windows stacked incorrectly or apps not responding, toggle Stage Manager off and on, then restart the iPad. If the problem persists, check for an iPadOS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.